what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Billie. Come out and play. This is a great song, and it's good for our picking practice too. Okay, so we got a C major. 1, 2, 3. To C major 7. And then we have an F major. Well, this can be really hard for beginners, so bar that first fret, 3, 3, and 2. Okay, so we want to pick 5, 4, 3, 2, and then again we pick so 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 5, 4, and then skip a string, play 2, and then lift up your finger, and then you play 3, 4, 3. And then for the F, same picking pattern, but we start on 6. Lift. So here you gotta lift your finger so we get the B string open. This is tough. Yeah, I think that's the only way. You could play F like that and grab the low F with your thumb. Okay, so that's the verses. And then for the chorus, we got D minor, do 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 G, C, E7, A minor. So D minor, 1, 2, 3, D to G, 1, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, E7, 1, 2, to A minor. Do, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, A minor. Come on and play. Great stuff. Great artist. Billie, come on. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe. Bye.